The Eagle 10000 Plus will be ready for an air filter change 100 hours of use after the break-in period. More frequent changes could be required for dusty operating conditions. Start by removing the cover located on the top of the engine by removing the large knob. Remove the air filter by removing the wing nut. Check the condition of the rubber seal and clean if necessary. Install a new air filter assembly and check for proper seating. Reinstall and tighten the wing nut. Reattach the cover, checking for proper seating. Secure the cover with the large knob. Now you are ready to weld, but before you strike an arc, make sure you read the instruction manual entirely and are following all safety protocols, including wearing a helmet, safety glasses, welding gloves, and welding apparel.